How to return SHEIN items with QR code. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll be directed to the shop page. Now at the bottom you're going to find the fin option. Navigate to the option of me given at the bottom right corner. Once you're on this page here, you're going to find the fin option. Navigate to the option of my orders. Click on view all. In this page you're going to find the list of the orders that you have made through the SHEIN. Returning items to SHEIN using a QR code is a straightforward process. Now select the item that you want to return. You're going to find the order details. Likewise, at the bottom you'll find the option of return. You have to click on that. Then you have to give reason why do you want to return the item. Provide a valid reason. When prompted to choose a return method, OPT for the QR code option. Depending on your location, you might see options like UPS QR code or USPS QR code. After selecting the QR code option, SHEIN will generate a QR code for your return. This code will be available for download. You can save it to your device or print it. Place the items in the original packaging, ensuring they are unwashed and have all original tags attached. No need to print a physical return label. Take the packaged items and the QR code to the designated drop-off location. Present the QR code to the staff. They will scan it and handle the shipping label for you. Once SHEIN receives and processes your return, they will issue a refund to your original payment method or SHEIN wallet as per your selection. And that's it. That's how you can return SHEIN items with QR code. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.